In this guide, I'll show you how to fix the issue where you're unable to open up Windows security. So it's a nice and easy tutorial. The first thing you need to do is just head over to your start menu and search for PowerShell. Then from here, you'll see Windows PowerShell, and we just need to right click on this and run as administrator. Inside of this window here, we need to type in the following command. Now I've got this saved in my notepads over here, so I'm just going to copy all of this, head back over to the PowerShell. Then you need to right click on the window at the top here, come down to edit and then select paste, and that's going to go ahead and run this command. Now I'll also leave this in the video description so you guys can come in, copy and paste this command also. And once you've entered this command, you can then close out of this window. Now if that doesn't work for you, the next thing we can do is head back over to the start menu, search for Windows Security, and once you see the Windows Security app here, we just need to click on this arrow in the right hand side, and that's going to open all of these settings. Then click on App Settings, and then if we scroll down slightly, you'll see this Reset section. Now you'll have two options inside of here, both Repair and Reset. So we're first just going to press this Repair button and then give that a few seconds to complete. And once that scan's finished, we're then just going to click on Reset as well, and then just click on Reset to confirm. And once you've done that, we can then close out of this window. And the last thing you need to do is head over to the Start menu and search for CMD. Right click on the command prompt and run as administrator. Then finally, we're just going to type in here the word sfc /scan now and hit enter. And this will do a scan on all of your core Windows system files, and it will just check for any damaged files or any corrupt files. So you'll need to wait for this verification to get to 100%. And if there are any damaged files detected in here, then it will automatically repair those for you. So once you've completed all of these steps and this scan's got to 100%, you can then close out of this window and you'll need to restart your computer. And then once your computer's restarted, you can then try launching up Windows Security, and that should have now fixed all of your issues. And that's it guys. If you did find this video helpful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing.